In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT in the Catalan language. Now, whether you want to translate the entire page in ChatGPT to Catalan or you want to write with ChatGPT in the Catalan language and get a response in Catalan, in this video, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to do in order to make that happen. Now, with that said, I do want to mention that there is no official way to change the language to ChatGPT. As you can see on the left-hand side here, there is no settings option, which means that ChatGPT is currently only available in English. However, I did find a way around that. Now, I am using Google Chrome on a Windows PC, so if you're using a different operating system, device, or browser, the process might be a bit different for you. In either case, at the very least, make sure that you're using Google Chrome because I'm not sure whether any of the other browsers support this feature. So, once you're ChatGPT, simply right-click anywhere on the screen, then click on Translate to. In my case, it's English, so to add it on the language, click on the three dots, then click on Choose another language, then click on the little arrow, and find where the Catalan language is from this massive list of languages. It's right here. Click on it and then click on Translate, and it will automatically translate the page to Catalan. Now, in order to talk with ChatGPT in Catalan and get a response in the Catalan language, all you have to do is simply talk to ChatGPT in Catalan and it will automatically detect the language and write back to you. So, in this case, I have gone ahead and copied and pasted the little phrase from Google Translate, which is asking, "How are you?" So, let's see what ChatGPT comes back with. Now, if ChatGPT does come back with you with an error, simply refresh the page and try again. This does happen sometimes, but the fix is pretty easy, so there's nothing for you to worry about. Let's try again. And within a few seconds, ChatGPT should come back to me, there we go, with a phrase talking back to me in Catalan. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please do go ahead and leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help.